You are going to love the 2016 MKC. The Lincoln MKC is a stylish and nimble-handling luxury crossover vehicle. With a long list of standard features, the MKC is sure to please. The exterior and interior offer a contemporary look that is sure to turn some heads. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, compass, trip odometer, power brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.